Mo, amde ba kran kita kari am ka bet mu thei. Ring orang kita ban bang diskrim bang yu te.
Why do rapists exist? It's because they watch too much porn, you know, and they want to try out those fantasies. Badala ya siau tan, badala ya rai tan, badala kran tan ketupan, ngila long no. Ngila long ya lajang negative mindset na.
Nga kentu ya no kiba laban ya kenduk kom kini kijat jingja, phim day ban ailat. Piban bet thong bet itu kijat brio and then pidai bet ban ailang jing sneng jing ailat kala ban penpor ki kam snio.
Don ko ga jing kali bahwa kali yati kata kalong. Have you ever experienced harassment in public? Example catcalling, etc.
I don't feel like any woman has not faced harassment or catcalling. Nama fiat pusrak lu can siau like they'll whistle at you. They'll watch you walk like ada biat kum tu. So I feel like every woman has faced harassment of some kind.
Once in their life.
Yeah, once in their life they have.
They touch also. So this kind of harassment, like moving in the bus also, they just push, they try to touch like that.
Not in Shillong.
Not in Shillong, other areas, plain areas.
By older men. Like once I have experienced a man in the taxi, he stopped his car to like check me out. It felt really uncomfortable and disgusting. So thought that baka long but yangi kana kan, longi kan thaya apa nang kejengnya dan tiga jongi. Ngilong feel embarrassed kan. Ngilong ang bet kumbaki pet yangi na duk create kecat kan.
Dom tawa tu kapon gimnang react ngilong yo sak lang badan gibriu balik aku tu bandut balik aku tu.
Takem don duk kejing mut jongki yangi tamalong ngi pak kentai kum ta phing ngi la pet tan gibriu ma. Speak out to like if you're ever in this situation, but it's not easy to do it because like you know what if you don't yeah like the consequences of like your actions, you know, scary. Just have to like that or like ignore the situation.
According to you, how can men make public spaces safer for women?
It starts from home. Ngang kita. Kasedang na yang kita.
I feel they should keep to themselves, you know, like respect, like like in a way that would make women feel uncomfortable.
Kumba kile kintai de kiyat.
Oh yeah, but you know, there's a certain look there. Fix not to kilo compete joki. What's different?
Ke kalat kalenti ka ba mangi kisrang ide ban le khnang ba kiyat ki kintai asurong khnang ba kin snow safe. Lenti singking pila judan ka pot da yat ki kintai ki group ban ya siao ban ya
mình xóa sẽ lông ta thằng bà mình ta là cái lá hệ là thằng bà rất nhiều nhiều cái linh gì thằng bà những cái mà mình bị bằng lệ gì mình cột bị tăng hai trong đi đó là đi đây bà nhìn ta tính nát ấy đúng không lòng nhìn đây ta có nghìn mà ta có rồi
Tha kejing thu juga te mo kum ki senrang ide ban long ki ba dan buram dan akor. Ha kayat ke yang kakran khana mo ye ki khana samna kentai ni kinu ru angim dei ban kan slen ban yu arkolom ju igi khana samna kentai ni yano inu ru bang ide ban ya buram mar keliang
ta nghĩ ban yu ban long ban dạy long là cái trong đây là cái trong cái business là trong đây mình bagian long secure mah
kabas kata ka jubah ko jampi polisi bot.
My name is Ziri.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mizoram.
Okay. Is Shillong safe or not for women?
Yeah, I think so.
It is.
It may be different for other girls,
Okay.
but so far,
So you like Shillong?
yeah, so much.
I think it's safer than any states in India.
I think Mizoram is also safe because I've never experienced that before, like any sexual harassment or anything. But I also think Shillong is safe enough for girls.
That's nice. That's hang near, but Irene kino hikai jonga Grace Academy ita di Miss Maya. Okay, Miss. What about in school? Do you think it's okay to give children proper knowledge now?
Yes, now we should give the proper knowledge.
Are they doing it in school?
Yes, in our school we are giving them.
Yeah, that's nice. Pitarai ka social media ka don am kata ka impact ha ka jingpet jongi sanang ye kentai.
Yeah, I think social media plays like a huge part because sometimes men or people in general like they're influenced there by social media. Like like this Kolkata rape case, then Kishan Rang ki belong, but you want it to repeat, you know.
Kat kum kajing song thok jong kalong ba it depends na way ubrio sha way ubrio mo ba pendon kam social media ba pendon kam na kabanta ban kamai ru tuhi ba pendon kam na kabanta ba song tena time pass ru don
tu kita jing syamu nak melen ba kadon ba ji gum kita rei pati mo ba ji ong ba ji long breu nak ban biang mo ti rei la pat pati ban bahagin mo iki ba subur ngi la ba klang le mo nila ban korek kita ki mistake jungi bang yong
rei kan kam du na lada way nangi barok ki ba pendon kam ke social media bengin kam pelet jingmut hakai ke balong kabadon jingmut ha productive kabalong kam bahakan amne ke balong kam kai kan mo
Cik kita barang kena ke pak thok like they feel like it's cool or something like, you know, edgy. So I guess yeah.
Question yes or no? Is Shillong safe or not?
I think it's I won't say yes or no, but it might be safer than other parts of India.
Yes or no?
Completely no.
ti mas dang ni kong na ladi kan mo ban wan ra ke jing kala ba kanong ilang sadang ni ka snong thau bro we ti kata
Yang kata kare jing sha ta bakran di. Tamat sha kapor jam pi sa bara ma. Thank you. Sa se.
Teng aku ban conclude ikan ni kajing kran jonga la ka ba ning kong nga i ki kan thai de ban ya ka self care na ka ba ar ka de bangin don ya kini ka iktian mo kami kan thai ha ka ya ka yang ka ram ka bed kten ka thlet ka akor ka buram jongi khasi bat ka balai kolong ba haswa bangin mi nala yang nala ka jong ka yang kasam ka baning kong ka de bangin kan mai ublai kan mai ya la ka jong ka yang kasam bat pendan buram ya la de dah kejing ya nanti dah kejing tip jong boleh bana jurang dah kejing ya dah kejing ke jong bangin like nak ki harassment berlaku tak kata aku boleh buat.
Shillong is safer.
Do you think Shillong is safe?
Yes, safer. So I think Shillong is the most safest place.
You've never had any bad
No.
Okay, that's nice to hear.